paying her bills, not Amber Heard. And she deliberately represented to the jury that Amber Heard had paid.
Elaine faces serious consequence for knowingly lying to the jury. Elaine has just been caught knowingly lying to the jury. Oh, the audacity. Amber's most supportive lawyer, Elaine has been infected by Amber with the habit of consciously lying to the court and the rest of the world. And here's what we found. A YouTuber, Andrea Buckhart, has revealed Elaine's lies in her video, and we can't just seem to believe how much Elaine has had to lie about to defend Amber. Aside from the inconsistency in her arguments, it has now been reported that Elaine's legal fees were paid by an organization called New York Marine and not Amber. We are sure you also thought Amber took up the responsibility of paying her attorneys, but we all thought wrong. New York Marine was saddled with the responsibility of paying Elaine
on what Elaine could charge for her rate. They simply,
even though there was pretty much no limit to what she could charge, Elaine charged over $2 million, and eventually the company she works under, Travelers, got a sum of $5 million in total for legal fees from New York Marine. However, Elaine has implied that Amber is responsible for paying her, and she went as far as using this as an excuse for Amber not fulfilling her charity donations. How crazy is that?
Attorney fees was a really important part of Amber Heard's explanation for why she wasn't able to make those charitable donations to the ACLU and the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles.
Didn't donate it. It's a yes or no.
I haven't been able to to fulfill those.
So that's a no, right, Ms. Heard?
I made the pledge. I want to be very clear. I pledged the entire. I haven't been able to fulfill those pledges because I've been sued.
And have you completely fulfilled your donations to the ACLU and the...
I have not yet.
And why not?
Because Johnny sued me for $50 million in March of 2019, and I have spent over $6 million.
Objection, Your Honor. This is a motion in limine.
Additionally, Amber and her entire legal team claimed that she couldn't pay the donations because Depp sued her and she had to spend a fortune on legal fees. Looks like Elaine has bitten way more than she can chew, and there will definitely be consequences for her malicious actions. But no, it doesn't stop there. It gets worse as Andrea explains that this misrepresentation of statements can be taken up by the Virginia court, and it can cost Elaine her job.
Flat out misrepresentation of fact does not reflect well on Elaine Bredehoft, on Judge Azcarati's courtroom, on the Virginia bar for this type of thing accepted and to go unpunished.
Let's see what fans think about Elaine. A fan expressed disappointment by stating, Elaine Bredehoft, you had to have known your fees were paid by Amber Heard's insurance company, who was with Amber every day in court and in the private room. It is professional misconduct for a lawyer to engage in conduct involving dishonesty, fraud, deceit, or misrepresentation. While another fan wrote, Elaine knew damn well who was paying her, so to suggest in court, and having her client under oath say she didn't give the money to charity as she said was because she had to pay lawyers' fees was a bold-faced lie by both. Just one instance. But some fans believe Elaine was brainwashed by Amber, as one fan wrote, I'm sure that Amber Heard gaslighted Elaine. I truly think she convinced herself Amber Heard was telling the truth. What a bump of reality when they lost and she was crying in the toilets at court. Someone had to represent her. Elaine got on my nerves, but I don't think she was purposely lying. Well, there you have it. Let's see if Elaine will face the law or the court will leave this one out.